Well, roll out the dough and butter up your appetite, because it's National Biscuit Month.
Ah.
Like that?
Don't let this opportunity crumble. Get away.
Oh, boy. The puns just write themselves.
It's the dad jokes, I get it. Just grab your favorite jam, honey, and gravy, and let's biscuit on with it.
Here to help us. Here to help us save us from ourselves.
Yeah, exactly.
There's no help.
The Biscuit Queen herself, Cynthia Christensen, she joins us this morning. It is always great to see you.
Good to see you too, but I don't think there's any hope for those jokes.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
I have not met Figgy before.
Oh.
So have a pumpkin spice biscuit with spiced maple butter with
I
my
love you.
Wow, wow,
I've always
wow.
loved you since the moment I saw you.
2 seconds ago.
Yes.
So I always start off with a little drink.
Yes.
This is
You two get to know each other. I'm just going to sample.
This is pumpkin spice latte without any of the devil's gourd. I don't like pumpkin.
You know I don't either.
So there's no devil's gourd, no Satan squash, nothing.
Thank you.
Just pumpkin spice and everything else that's nice. And
It's
it goes
amazing.
perfectly with this.
I know two
Thank you
broadcast
so much.
journalists who are
Cheers.
standing by for breaking news that are so jealous right now.
So it's made with the pumpkin spice sparrow.
Oh my gosh.
I know, right? Isn't it right?
And I don't even like pumpkin spice, and this is delicious.
And
look at his face.
If you don't have a milk frother, you can just put your milk or cream into a jar.
Wow.
And shake it.
That's
And
really
then-
nice.
Oh, I messed up.
Wait a
My
minute.
daughter said to make sure to tell you this is a pumpkin spice cold brew.
It's a cold brew. Pumpkin spice cold
See,
brew without the
remember when
devil's
it was-
breath. What did you say?
Without any of the devil's gourd, Satan squash, none of that.
This
And then see
is-
when you mix it right in the,
Look at that.
it kind of foams up for you.
It's biscuit
then-
month, but yet.
And then a sparkle.
What's that?
That's sparkle.
This is sparkle.
That's
literally
all you
says
need to know.
It literally
It's
says.
pumpkin spice sparkle.
Okay. All right. Well, now that we have our drink,
Now we have our drink.
and,
Very good.
and
So
it's
I'm going to show
National
you guys.
Biscuit Month.
Yes.
What do you have?
I am making. Sometimes in the morning, do you ever like wake up and your hands are just like no?
Yes.
You know, you try to make a fist. Like when you're a kid, you try to make a fist as
And
soon
you-
as you woke up, and it'd be
can't.
like, oh no,
I
I'm
can't-
not
can't
awake
do it,
yet.
yeah.
I can't, Mom. My fist won't work. So biscuit for that day. Okay. So everything's in the food processor. I have my flour, my leavening agents, my salt in here, and cubed butter.
Cold.
Cold cubed butter.
Okay.
And it's all in there, right?
Yeah.
And so I'm going to make all of it right here.
Oh, it smells so good.
Oh, that's backward for me, but you know what? I know what I'm doing.
I have faith. I have faith in you.
You just pour it right in there, and
What's
as
that?
soon
Is
as
that
this
buttermilk?
is buttermilk,
Okay.
and as soon as it forms a ball,
You see this?
Magic. That's
Nelson
Wait a
is
minute.
taking mental notes because he's going to try this tomorrow
and then
and make
all you
biscuits for his
do,
family.
Don't make promises.
you don't even have to. You don't even have to do my patented cut and stacks.
Okay.
All you have to do is get
Take
the
it
dough,
out.
dump it on here.
Nelson, I think you should do this. It's only fair.
Give it to me.
Let
I got it.
him get in there.
What am I
Just
kneading?
roll it.
Roll it.
No, you're just going to roll it out to about a half-inch thick.
Okay.
Okay.
And are we making? This is just a regular. This is just the basic, the original.
This is my original biscuit.
She's looking at me like you're messing it up.
Well,
Yeah, just a little bit, but
she's
you know,
the queen of the biscuit.
as my
Nothing.
husband would say, I'm just a boy. I'm doing the best I can.
Oh,
Isn't
see,
that the
that's
truth?
a good husband right
Isn't
there.
that the truth?
So you just pat that out like this,
Okay.
And then you fold, right?
And then you just cut it straight down and straight back up, and it goes right onto your sheet pan. And through the magic of
Do you
television,
see this? It ends up like this.
Ba-ba-bum.
Dun, da, da, da.
Perfect biscuits.
I'll take this for you.
I'm all about
and
it.
I have stuff on my hands, so I'm going to do the secret,
what?
which
It's
is
it's live
you put
television.
flour on your hands and rub like this, and it gets rid of the sticky stuff. I mean, you're floury,
I was just
but-
wiping it on everybody else's pants. And
Thank you. Okay.
And then, so I brought for you today my pumpkin spice biscuits. I have my jalapeno cheddar 2-ingredient biscuits,
Oh
so
my.
it's 4 ingredients.
Okay, that's fine.
That's fine.
While you're judging, tell us about the New York City Wine and Food Festival.
I will be
madam.
participating in a number of events this year. I'm going to be part of the returning champions at Burger Bash. We won the People's Choice Award last
Very
year,
nice.
so
You're
we're
here.
going back. We're coming back
Excellent.
to defend and win our championship.
Here,
Keep
here.
it. And then the next night, I will be participating in the Bobby Flay's triple. What is it? Triple.
Diners, drive-ins, and dumps?
No.
Diners,
Oh,
drive-ins,
Bobby
and...
Flay's big.
Oh, different
Triple
guy.
shot dance, the
That's
dance
Guy
party,
Fieri.
and then
Oh.
I'll be closing out the hip hop cookout with Pat LaFrida
Oh, she
and
got
Rev Run.
invited to the cookout.
So
Okay.
I'll be on the
How do you
main
feel about
grill with about, I don't know, 500 tomahawks, ribeyes, New York strips. I just stand
And you
there
made
all night.
time for us. Thank you.
You need anybody to help carry that stuff?
You can come, you are certainly welcome to come eat it.
Yeah,
Yes.
I'm there.
So since my hands are floury, Figgy,
Get to it.
and you're less floury, right here we have, I made my sausage, egg, and cheese biscuits because you don't have to go to the drive-thru anymore.
Thank you. Now you did the egg in your cookie cutter.
So what I
thing.
do is the same cookie cutter that I cut out biscuits,
Yes.
I then use to make my egg the exact same size, and my homemade sausage is the same size.
Excuse me.
And then you have a delicious
sandwich.
sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit.
This is
So-
You don't say.
fantastic.
Yeah,
think
I
you
don't know.
should-
Maybe you should probably test it.
It'd be a
Found
shame
this.
to waste it.
Found this just laying right here.
Just laying right there.
While
It'd be a
he's-
shame to let that go to waste.
While he's
yeah.
shoving his face with that delicious sandwich, you have a holiday cooking class in November?
Yes, I'm back at Heirloom Kitchen in
Great.
Old Bridge, and the tickets go on sale for that. Usually October 1st, but
Okay.
they sell out in minutes.
Mm-hmm.
So go to
set
my
an alarm.
website.
Set an alarm
Go
and be
to
ready.
butfirstwebrunch.com,
Yep.
and I have an event page, and there's a link. Get that alarm set because
Do
they
it.
go very
They
quickly.
go fast. They go fast. Thank you for all this deliciousness.
You're welcome.
Congratulations on all the things.
All the things. I'll sleep in December. Oh no, Christmas.
And Christmas, it starts right back up.
Follow her on all her socials. The info is there. And in the meantime, we'll see you at the New York City Food and Wine Festival. Wow.
Awesome.